Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how we can change background on Zoom meeting application with Android phone. Alright guys, here I have created a virtual meeting on my Zoom application, and usually if we want to change our background, we have to go to the more option, and there will be an option to change background right here if our phone supports the feature to change background. And unfortunately, there's no option to change my background right here. But don't worry, if you have the same problem, I'm gonna give you the tutorial how we can change background. Even the option to change background doesn't appear right here. Okay, if we want to change background, we can use the video call effect feature on our Android phone. We need to go to our settings application, open the settings application, and go to the advanced features right here, and make sure that you activate this video call effect feature. And after this video call effect feature has been activated, we'll be able to change our background on Zoom application. But if you don't have this feature on your Android phone, unfortunately, you cannot change your background on Zoom meeting. Okay, and after this feature has been activated, we can go back to our Zoom meeting, and we have to activate our camera. Okay, and this is the video call effect. Make sure you click on it, and here we have to click on background. Okay, and here we can select image. You can import image from your gallery. You have to go to your setting and you can import the image there. And here I have imported some image to my my video call effect, and this is how it looks. Okay, and alright guys, that's how we can change background on Zoom meeting application with Android phone. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you on the next video.